Dr.TiMaths is
Question
easy.
8. A. Find the period. So the period will be 2 pi over b, and b in this case will be 7.8. So 2 pi over 7.8, which is 10 pi over 39. Given that the maximum height is 1.8 and the minimum height will be 1. Find the value of a. The function is a cos of 7.8 t and then plus b. Sorry, let's go back. Plus b, yeah. Plus b. Okay, now find a is the amplitude. This is a cos function, so the y-intercept supposed to be at maximum, but this one will be at the minimum, so the value of a will be negative. So it will be negative of 1.8 minus 1 divided by 2. We have a will equal to negative 0.4. b will be 1.8 plus 1 divided by 2. So b will be 1.4. So now the function becomes negative 0.4 cos of 7.8t plus 1.4. Okay, C, find the number of times that reach the maximum in the first 5 seconds. So we get 5 divided by the period, which is 5 divided by 10 pi over 39. It will nearly 6.207. So it will reach the maximum height 6 times. D, find the first time that the base of the weight reach the height of 1.5. So this represents the height, so this minus 1.5 equals 0. I put this function into GDC and find the x-intercept. So the time will nearly 0.234. Okay, now during the first 5 seconds, find the probability that the height is greater than 1.5. So this greater than 0 in the first 5 seconds. Okay, when you put this one into GDC, the graph will look like this. So we need to find the duration of this, which the function, this function above the x-axis, which is will bigger than 0. So the first intersection here is 0.234. We need to find the second one here. The value of this one will be 0.57175. And these durations are equal, and there are 6 of them. So we get the difference here multiplied by 6, because this is the probability, so we need to divide it by 5. So it will be 0.57175 minus 0.234 multiplied by 6 and divided by 5, and it will nearly 0.406. Question 9. A. Find the probability that the first bone is green. So there are 10 green and the rest are red. There are total n. So it will be 10 over n. The first 2 are green, so 10 over n multiplied with 9 over n minus 1, because without replacement, 90 over n squared minus n. Now n is 25, that means 10 green and 15 red. So that the probability at the first 2 red will be 0.35. So the first red is 15 over 25, multiplied with the second red is 14 over 24, and we have 0.35. The probability that the first 3 are red, so the first red multiplied with the second red multiplied with the third red, and we have is nearly 0.198. The probability that at least 1 green in the first 3, so it will be 1 minus 3 red, which is this one. So the answer nearly 0.802. Okay, E. Find the least value of K. Expected score is greater than 10. So a player will earn 0 point. So it will not affect the expected value, so we don't care about this line. Okay, we earn 10 if the first green on the third draw. So we need to find the probability of this one. So it will be red red and then green. So first red, second red, and the third one must be green. It will be 7/46. We'll earn 50 points if the first green on the fourth. So first red, second red, third red, and the last one must be green. And we will have, it will be 91/1012. So the probability, the expected value for one play will be 10 multiplied with 7/46 plus 50 multiplied with 91/1012. This will be 3045/506. So this will be the expected score for one turn. Now, expect is greater than 100, so it will be 100 divided by this value. So 100 divided by 3045/506 is will nearly 16.6. So K must be 17, and we are done.